In today's fast-paced digital workplace, the ability to quickly onboard new team members and standardize operational procedures is not just an advantage, it's an absolute necessity for maintaining a competitive edge and ensuring flawless execution across your organization. The chronic challenge, however, has always been the immense time sink and inconsistent quality of creating clear, up-to-date documentation, a tedious task that often falls to the bottom of the to-do list. What if you could automate this entire process with a single click? Today we are conducting a comprehensive deep dive into Scribe AI in 2025, a sophisticated platform that promises to do exactly that by transforming how businesses capture and share knowledge. We will meticulously unpack its core functionality, explore its advanced AI-powered features, and deliver a candid breakdown of its real-world pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right solution for your business's unique needs. Scribe is an advanced all-powered documentation tool that automatically generates detailed step-by-step guides by simply recording your screen actions, fundamentally changing how companies create standard operating procedures, training manuals, and onboarding materials. The core mechanism is brilliantly straightforward. You activate the recorder and perform any digital process, and Scribe's sophisticated AI engine meticulously captures every click and keystroke. A pivotal feature is the dedicated Scribe AI, which can then intelligently enhance these guides by automatically generating a summary, adding crucial contextual notes, or redacting sensitive data like passwords and personal information to ensure compliance. Furthermore, the platform offers extensive customization options for branding, allows you to merge multiple scribes into comprehensive process documents, and supports versatile sharing through links, embeds, or exports to PDF, HTML, and Markdown. The most significant professional advantage is the monumental time savings, reducing a task that could take hours into mere minutes while also guaranteeing procedural consistency and drastically accelerating employee ramp-up times. Therefore, for businesses and teams whose primary operations are conducted through web, desktop, or mobile applications, Scribe AI stands as a remarkably strategic tool that is certainly worthy of a serious trial. It empowers your subject matter experts to share their knowledge effortlessly, preserving institutional intelligence. I'm curious to know which repetitive business process you would automate first with Scribe. Would it be your sales CRM onboarding, your software deployment checklist, or something else entirely? Let me know your thoughts and use cases in the comments as I read every single one. Thanks for investing your time in watching this review, and for more honest insights into tools that can truly transform your business workflow, stay tuned to this channel.